How to fix Google Play payment decline error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if you're not able to use the payment method in your Google Play Store. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. Whenever you use the payment methods, if you have a pop-up error that says decline, here's how you can fix it. So in order to do that, open a Play Store and make sure to log into your account. After that, navigate to your profile icon from the top right corner. From here, tap on payments and subscriptions. Tap on payment methods, and from here you can add a different payment methods. You can change your old payment methods or remove that and add a new payment methods. Either you can add your debit or credit card to enter your card details, and once you have added your new payment methods, check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, then what you have to do is close this, navigate to the Play Store in your device, tap and hold on it, and then tap on App Info. Once you're under App Info, first of all tap on Force Stop, then tap on OK. Once you're done with that, tap on Storage and Cache, and then tap on Clear Cache. Clearing the cache will remove the glitches from the application. Once you have forced stop, now you can go back, restart your device, and that's going to help you fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.